Most affiliates are already financially dead. Every week, product launches generate thousands of dollars in commissions, while ordinary affiliates wonder why they're still making zero. The truth? They arrive too late. By the time most people discover a hot launch, the buyers are already gone. The top affiliates have published their reviews, grabbed the traffic, and collected the commissions. You're left chasing scraps. But what if you had a shortcut? Meet LaunchJacker AI, a simple system designed to help ordinary affiliates position themselves before launches go live, so they can capture buyer traffic first. Step 1. Spy. Instead of guessing which products might sell, you identify launches with strong demand, reliable vendors, and real commission potential before everyone notices. Step 2. Approve. Even if you've never made affiliate sales before, LaunchJacker AI gives you proven outreach templates to help increase your chances of getting approved. Step 3. Review. Build a simple money page using proven structures. Step 4. Publish. Get your content live before launch day. And finally, repeat. New launch. Same system, same framework. On top of the training, you also get access to 11 built-in AI tools, bonus resources, community support, and an AI assistant. The difference is simple. One affiliate waits and hopes for commissions. The other prepares, publishes early, and builds a repeatable process. If you've been sitting on the sidelines watching other affiliates profit from launches, maybe it's time to stop guessing and start following a proven system. Check the link on the description of this video to see if LaunchJacker AI is the right fit for you. If you found this review helpful, subscribe for more affiliate marketing strategies, and don't forget to check the description.